how to update Windows 11. So basically, if you want to update your Windows 11 software, it's very simple to do so. Now if you're coming from Windows 10, you have to actually first make sure that you install Windows 11 on your computer to upgrade it or update it, or you can create a USB installation media. Now if you're talking about a system update, which is sometimes you get the update from your Microsoft, you can simply open the settings application on your Windows. On the left hand side at the bottom left, you'll find an option that says Windows Update. So simply go to Windows Update right there. At the top right hand side, you'll find an option that says check for updates. So you just have to simply click on that particular option. And then when you've done that, you'll find all these sorts of different information where all you have to do is simply go ahead and then see if you have any sort of updates. And if you do, make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you'll be able to update your Windows 11. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.